10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so I want you to, again, try and balance the egg.
We got 2 of them just in case.
Okay, balance the egg.
I don't think it'll balance.
Can you do it the other way? Can you balance it on the other side? Not at all. You can't balance it, huh? Balance it. No?
No.
Okay, well, I want you to take this salt and pour it in a little area right there on the table.
Okay. In the circle?
You know, you ain't got to put it in the circle. Just pour a little bit. And we got Mrs. Story here watching. That's enough. Okay, close the salt. Now balance the egg on top of the... Well, what do we have here? Okay, okay.
So you can put the salt on the bottom. On the bottom. Now it'll, hold up. So set the egg right here. Hold up. So set the, hold up. Of course.
Okay, let's try. Start over.
Okay.
Okay, so on that dry area right there with this new egg, see if you can balance the egg. It's still not balancing on either side?
Nope.
Okay. All right.
Now do the salt.
Put you a little bit of salt on top of that same area right there. Just a little bit more salt.
Okay.
Okay, that should be enough.
Okay.
You put your egg
on it. See if it'll balance. Let's see if it'll balance on the table.
Okay, leave it there. Okay, now I'm gonna dust the salt off of the other egg.
I'm pretty sure I know what's going on here.
Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to try and, without making this egg fall, you got to make sure it don't fall on the table because it'll crack. Put this egg and see if it'll balance on top of that egg.
On top of this egg?
Yep. Will it balance? Oh, will it? I don't think so.
No.
Okay.
I think it'll balance.
Pour a little bit of salt on top of that egg. Let me see this one.
Just that. Oh. Now pour some
yeah,
salt.
Pour a little bit of salt on top of there. Let's see if it's gonna work, baby. Put a little bit more. Put a little bit more. Okay. That's enough. That's enough.
Is it gonna be a cap or slap?
Is it gonna be a cap or slap? Whatever that means. Let's see. Let's see his story. Let's see.
Looks like it's is it a cap? Still balance.
Okay.
Pour a little bit more salt. If it ain't working, then we ain't do something right. Because we did see it on YouTube.
The life of a homeschool child. But we just got into summer school. Yesterday was our first day. I mean, not summer school, but
nope.
Summer.
It's a cap.
Vacation. It's a cap?
Yep.
Okay. So therefore we'll need, why do you think that the egg cannot balance on a surface without the salt at the bottom of it? Why do you think it's able to balance on top of the salt but not on top of a table or a flat surface with nothing on it?
Like, you see this? It can't balance. It can't balance. You see that? Because like it's just real flat. But this right here, when you spread it out, so it'll stay up because its salt kind of up a little bit,
and
it'll kind of balance the egg. You see, like, hold up. So I'm gonna make it like that. Now, it's like when you put it kind of up, it's gonna be up. So like it'll.
So what's that called? Like when use some better terms like versus it'll just be up. What does it'll be up mean? Explain a little bit more for the folks who may not understand what you mean by that because they're not here to see what you mean.
Okay.
Really.
So like you see the salt, it's pieces of salt. Like it's pieces of salt. There's nothing here. Look, there's nothing there. So there's nothing there you can balance it on. But since I got salt on the bottom, you can balance.
That's just it because okay, so the salt just allows it to balance and be more stable. Because why though? Like
because the table is just all flat. It's just
flat.
Okay. But because the salt on the bottom, it'll balance.
Okay.
That's what I think. What you think?
I think the same thing. Like it provides support to the egg. So it's like if you had say you had a plant and you pulled it out of the ground and it was stuck in the soil so you had a plant and it has like this. You pulled the plant from the ground and tried to put that same plant just on the ground. Like you just didn't put it inside of nothing or on the surface. You just tried to allow it to stand up like it was sticking up when it was inside of the pot. And you take it out or in the ground. But say you put that same plant inside of a flower pot with the soil. Now it has support around the foundation or the bottom of the plant. So now it's able to stand up. It's like having leaving his story up by herself with no balance. And she can't walk it. Like if I let my hands go, but since I got my hands on her, I'm giving her support and she can stand straight up. But if I let her go, what's gonna happen? She's gonna fall down. So so that's
Can you do another one?
Yeah. No, that's all I got for right now.
I can look up another one on my phone. Just one more.
We might not have the tools. If we have, we might not have the stuff here. So if we do,
just let me see.
Okay.
We can.
And we are
gonna science experiment.
Use these eggs for breakfast.
Yeah.
Even though it's 12:39, but
it's not breakfast time.
It's not really breakfast time, but. What you got to say, Historia? What do you have to say? Say hey. Say I'm watching my brother do a science experiment. Say hey. Boom, 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 boom. Say I'm sleepy.
So,
what, bud?
Maybe we could do this one if we got that. Whatever that is. Look. What's that? Hold up. Look. So you mix it. What's that?
It looks like a pear.
Do we have a pear?
Nope.
Okay, let me look up another one. Let me see another one.
All right, guys. Well, if we find another one, we may or may not be back. So, adios, amigos. Say bye, Knowledge.
Bye.
Say bye, Historia. Say bye, Historia. Say bye-bye. No? Okay. Bye-bye. Appreciate y'all tuning in, watching the show with the wisdoms. Wisdom 1 and wisdom number 2. Make sure y'all subscribe.